In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add signature in Microsoft Outlook. Adding a signature to your emails is a simple way to make your messages look more professional and consistent. It allows you to include important details about yourself automatically, saving time while also making your emails more informative and polished. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook and look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll find a small gear or settings icon there. Click on it to open your Outlook settings panel. This is where you can customize different features of your account. Once the settings menu appears, look to the left-hand side and select the Accounts section. Inside this area, you'll find an option labeled Signatures. Click on it to access the Signature Settings page, where you can create and manage your email signatures. Now, scroll down until you see the section for creating and editing signatures. From here, choose the option to create a new signature. You'll be asked to give your signature a name, which helps you identify it later, especially if you plan to create more than one. After naming your signature, move down to the editor area where you can begin typing the content you want to include. This could be your name, role, or any additional details you want recipients to see at the end of your emails. As you type, you'll notice several formatting tools available at the bottom of the editor. These tools allow you to customize your signature to match your style. You can adjust text formatting, such as bold or italics, insert images, and even add links if needed. There are also additional options available through the extended menu, giving you more flexibility to design a signature that looks clean and professional. Once you're satisfied with how your signature looks, click the Save option to apply your changes. After saving, scroll a bit further to find the option where you can set your default signature. This ensures that your signature will automatically appear whenever you compose a new email. Finally, close the Settings panel and create a new email to check your work. You should now see your signature displayed at the bottom of your message, ready to be sent with every email you write. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell